hungriest.
The exciting things on our tour this year, we have 2 to 4 week old piglets. We have baby lambs that are all within 2 weeks of having been born.
There you go. Yeah, it tastes. Now it'll taste different places. I don't know if you've ever noticed on your honey how it'll say orange blossom honey or sourwood and all these things. It's because those bees are going to different plants to get pollen, and so their honey tastes different.
Getting acquainted with farming more than anything. Just fun, learning.
Wine tasting.
Yeah, wine tasting.
And seeing where our food comes from too.
Yeah, it's really important around here.
Today, it was amazing. We had 40-50 people on each tour. Everybody was super interested. Went out to the cows and you pick berries. Yes, come in.
The thing that I really was impressed with was the farmers. They're working so hard and doing so much to help feed all of us. They're so enthusiastic about what they were doing that it really was inspiring.
It's a great time of year to do a farm tour because we have a lot of products that we've harvested, so it works out.
I understand.